Have you ever used clippers before?
No.
Decent.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're filming a video that I thought we would never have the opportunity to do. We're going to cut Kieran's hair. So as you all know, we've been in lockdown for about 6 weeks, and obviously Kieran's not been able to go get his hair cut. I've never seen any of this stuff before.
You are cutting my hair, so I hope you do. There needs to be some sort of understanding of what they are.
We've got the, is it a cutter?
Clipper.
A clipper. Let's just get one thing straight. I know that I could quite easily just get the clipper and just go down the middle.
But you're not going to do that, are you?
But we're not going to do that.
Please. Please don't.
I'm going to try and make him look as good as he could possibly look. I'm going to try and get Kieran to never go to a barber again.
That's not happening.
Right, so if you were to go to a barber, what would you say?
Can I have a mid-skin fade, please? And a freshen up on the top, please.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. Oh, by the way, Kieran did watch a video on how to cut hair. I haven't bothered because I'm feeling quite confident, but Kieran is just going to walk me through some of the steps. Now I'll know what to do. How do I put this on?
She doesn't know how to put this on. Is that number 3?
That's number 3, yes.
And you're just going to go just a clean cut all the way to the top, and then you can do your fade line later on. Just take the length off it. Have you got a mirror so I can watch?
Let's go. Yeah, so it isn't really doing that much. Or maybe it is. Okay, please don't move, because if you start moving now, I'm going to blame you for the bad haircut. Okay, so far so good. What if I chop one of your ears off?
You won't do, it's safeguarding, you just have to move out of the way.
I mean, even if I left it like this, it's already looking better than it was.
Just to let you know, this normally takes about 30-45 seconds. It's taking about 5 minutes, so we could be here a while.
You're looking so much better, aren't you?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, looking so much better.
Okay, we've got number 0, what do I do now?
So let me come round. Yeah, just blow it onto the floor. Not into my face. This is open.
Yeah.
That's closed. So now you're just going to do the line. So you're going to draw the line. So I normally have it about a mid. Don't get excited at this stage. So now
Down. What?
A bit about there. You need to go a bit down. You need to go down because.
Okay. Like this?
Stay on the same line as you are now, but come down, like, come,
Okay.
do you know what I mean?
Okay.
That's a really neat line, and then that's like a...
Yeah, because you told me to go down.
And now you're cutting up to that line with the same measurement.
With this one?
Yeah.
Watch, my brother will want his hair cutting next.
You can't. 2 meters.
True. Is this what your barber does? Just replies to text halfway
No.
through?
It doesn't. Are you replying to a text?
No. So now we've got a mirror facing that way.
Because I said mid-skin fade, not high-skin fade.
Well, sorry, this is mid in our barber
It's
shop.
mid there, but then it goes high.
Well, do you want me to make it a bit higher so it matches this side?
No. It's no.
Okay, just stop move now. I'm gonna get hit with that mirror in a minute.
It's so high, and it does go up ever so slightly on this side.
Do it yourself.
If you need to see patches and stuff, you just need to move my head ever so slightly and stuff. Like in different lights and stuff, from different angles, just sit. Right, don't take the piss now, because...
Excuse me.
What are you doing?
This is the lighter that I need to see the patches. You better not move as well. Because there's some patches that I can see in this light.
Right, you're taking the piss now, man. The barber doesn't do that.
I feel like this is going to overheat in a minute. It's well hot.
the bit that cuts off more, you need to go up another about inch. But
Really?
So you cut and you flick away. Yeah. Ah!
I'm sorry.
Can you start to see the fade coming together?
Yeah, definitely.
This, you've not done any of this.
Any of what?
My side, this side.
Yes, I have.
Can't walk around with a line in your head.
2 lines. Like at the front there, it's nice, isn't it? That looks really good.
Yeah, exactly, that does look good. Do you know what I mean now though? Do you know what I mean? Like, cut that line away now.
I don't want to be a barber anymore. I've changed my mind.
Have a rest.
My arm is in so much pain.
To be
Not
fair
pain, but it's just, it's not that heavy, but after a while, it's a lot. You've got a little dint in your head there. Your head goes in.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Do you want to show me?
That is looking good. Look at that.
Decent.
Why are you just sad?
Because I just want it to be good. I take my work seriously.
It's all about having fun. I'm not even looking.
Can you look?
Look into the camera right now.
Can you please look at my hair? Please? The barber doesn't take his eyes off my hair.
Yeah, well your barber's just not as good as me then, is he?
Well, yeah, he's much better.
Can you send this to your barber?
That's much better already, and there is still more to do, but like it's much better.
You are looking better and better. People will think I've sped this footage up, but no, this is just how good I've got at cutting hair. Hi, what would you like? Just a mid-fade here, no worries.
The barber doesn't do that. And now, again, just freely cut now up to the top.
I reckon I'm going to change your fade preferences. You might start having a high fade now.
I've had a high fade before, but I wanted a mid fade and you give me a high one.
I just think you suit a high one better, to be honest, that's why I gave you a high one. Listen, I've had about 6 people come in today and they've all asked for a mid on the side, high at the back.
Am I right?
You're wrong.
So you wouldn't have totally messed this up without my help?
No.
It would have
It
looked
would have
absolutely
looked
fine?
better than it does now.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't remember doing it anymore, to be honest.
It's not about can you be bothered. The barber doesn't look at my head and go, yeah, that'll do, like, can't bother. Maybe some of them do, and that's when you don't go back.
There you go.
And I might not be going back.
I don't know if I want you to come back, to be honest. Like, it's
Can you
fun,
get
but
rid of my hair? Like, the barber doesn't allow this. No. It's a bit uneven at the back, but it'll do.
You can't see the back.
It'll do.
What's next?
Maybe just go over with it with a 1 again later and cut just ever so slightly. What's next? You need to wet my hair. You need to grab it and ask me how much I want taking off.
This little bit.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
Oh, it is in my barber shop. Ow, I just nearly cut myself. I'm literally just grabbing hair and cutting it, there's no technique to this.
That's going to be alright for now. Like,
Stop moving.
well, what are you doing?
Cutting your hair.
Yeah, but you can't just... That's part of my natural fringe. Yeah, overall you've done well, yeah. I just wish...
I feel like you're really stressed and you don't appreciate how hard I've worked. Let's say in 3-4 weeks time we're still in lockdown and your hair's grown back, would you let me do it again?
I'll let you keep on top of the fade, I'm not letting you touch the top again.
Looks good.
It looks okay, like, but it was done very unprofessionally. Whereas the back and the sides...
What the hell?
You're not a professional barber.
Yeah, but I did a good job. You look good. You look better than you did at the start, which means I did a good job. How much do you normally pay for your haircut?
£5, I think.
I'm pretty sure it's about 30.
It's definitely not for 30.
How
It
much
depends.
is it?
If you're in the city centre, it's 26.
Decent, we're in the city centre. That's £26 then. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
I'm really itchy, can you not touch my shoulders?